Her family threatened. Her livelihood stolen. But this summer, she's ready for the mother of all battles.
No! This is the movie. I'm an independent trader. I'm loving it. Tom, if you're not buying, fuck off.
Let's see which stall will be the next one to go.
They won't be happy till the close is all down.
But you won't take me without a fight. There's nothing to worry about. God's sake, sometimes you're as useless as a knitted condom.
This Mrs. Brown, she has a mouth on her.
Fresh fruit and vegetables!
You better take this serious.
You'll sell your stall, you stupid bitch!
Anything else, love?
I have a plan.
Does it involve blind ninjas?
Go.
Maybe.
Where is Mrs. Brown?
Shit, do something.
In the studio with me today, I have Agnes Brown.
We will hear what Mrs. Brown has to say.
2 chips, 1 smoked cod.
One of you lot threatened my mother, and I'm not having that.
It's all very dramatic. I love the movies.
You don't mind a little examination, do you?
Well, as long as I can leave me clothes on.
Mrs. Brown's Boys, the movie.
Now what?
I don't know.
You could disguise yourself as a man.
No, Winnie, I'd never get away with it.
In cinemas June 27.